How to check Spotify stats streams for artists. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will see how we can check Spotify stats or streams as an artist. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that you need to use Spotify for Artists, which is a dedicated platform by Spotify that provides real-time insights into your music performance. So first of all, you have to go to the artist.spotify.com. Open up Google in your device. In the search bar, search for artist Spotify. Navigate to the first link, that is artist.spotify.com. So once you are here under the artist.spotify.com, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. From here, tap on Get Access. Now you may be asked to log in into your Spotify account. Tap on the login at the top right and then log in into your Spotify account. After that, if you have not claimed, then you have to choose whether you are an artist, manager or level, then claim your profile. Once you do that, you may be prompted for the verification, and the verification may take some time. Once you are verified, now you will be logged in into artist.spotify.com. If not, log in using your Spotify artist account. So once you're logged in, you'll be taken into your dashboard insights, and there you can see your streams, that is the total number of plays, listeners, which is the unique listeners over time, and it will also show you how many people follow your profile, also how many people have saved your track to their library. You can also view your real-time states, that shows the real-time data on how your latest release is performing. You could also view the audience insights, such as the top countries and cities your music is streamed from, any other gender or age breakdown of your audience, and you'll also able to find their platform, whether they are listening on their mobile, desktop or the web. You could also find your playlist performance, where you can see how your music is doing it. So that's it. Log in into your Spotify artist account via artist.spotify.com, and on your dashboard you will find all of your Spotify stats or streams of your audio. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.